Hello everybody, my name is Gwenno Dafydd and I am the instigator and the project manager of the very first Abba Fest, which was held in Fishguard in 2024. And this is a beautiful part of Wales, and I wanted to do an Abba festival there to rival that of the Elvis Presley festival held in Porthcawl every year. Now, Abergwaun is the Welsh name for Fishguard, so Abergwaun seemed like a really good name to me. And basically we started off with very little budget, but managed to pull it off. And I've been a huge fan of Abba since I saw them on the television in the Frenchman's Motel, Goodwick, 50 years ago. So my history with Abba goes back a long way. Anyway, we pulled it off. We managed on that weekend in July last year to get Abba duos, Abba quartets, a sand castle building competition. We had bingo, we had a quiz, we had dancing, we had karaoke, we had fundraising, we had, what else do we have? We had an ukulele band. And all of this culminated in a huge parade down in Lower Town, and we all ran into the sea to the accompaniment of the Song Bombers, and we all had a great time and sang Abba songs in the sea as a finale. And I am hoping that this will be the very first one of many years to come, so that we will be able to be the best Abba Fest in the world. So it's up to the community to make this happen. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi.